Okay, in the morning I come in here, open the door. Turn the light on, turn the other big light. And then I go to the machinery, the steam machine. You have to drain out the old, because it's better if you remain the residue, bad residue inside, from the water. And then you fill it up with the water and turn it on. Then I remove the old solution from the cleaner, ultrasonic cleaner, take it out, clean it, make a new solution. And then I go in the back. We have two stations like that, so I have to do both. After that, I open the safe, take the job out, mine, and then everybody then will take their job, and when they come in. And then when everybody's coming, everything is set up, everything is ready. I already started my set, so. I like to come here early in the morning because I'm not sleeping so much.